Find advantages or weakness together. Highlight features of 6 VINAEMO ironing board hanger wall mount, 2-layer iron and ironing board holder. Laundry room shelves, solid wood with removable hooks, home organization and storage. Let's take a look at what people who have bought or used to mention how it is. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Upgraded 2-layer solid wood design. This ironing board hanger for wall offers twice as much storage space as any other products. It is convenient for you to keep your irons, ironing board, and ironing accessories in one location. Made of solid wood and top quality metal, this ironing board holder goes perfectly for a long time. This stand can not only bear up to 80 pounds items but also resist heat, moisture, sun rays, corrosion, and rust. Seamless construction of natural rustic wood and metal is both aesthetically pleasing and durable, serving as a safe haven for your ironing board and irons. There is no more complaint about ironing board spoiling your house's decoration. Apart from the ironing board and the iron, you can store various types of items on the shelves. This holder is also suitable for utility room, sewing room, bathroom, kitchen, or bedroom to keep everyday stuff organized and accessible. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.